Hello and welcome back to the overview of RDS3. In this video we're going to take a look at the mailroom. Now the mailroom is all about physical sent in the post letters that arrive and how RDS can deal with those. I should also point out that the mailroom is effectively the initial stage of receiving letters. Once they've been received inside the mailroom, they can then be delegated out and they will appear in a user's inbox just like an email or like an SMS. Mailroom is just a way of dealing with these letters. So for example, you can see here that it depends what I have permission to. As a manager here, as I'm logged in as, I have access to do pretty much everything inside Mailroom. What we find at CVC at least is that most departments will kind of have a couple of users that deal with the physical letters, and then they'll get them into the system where they're then delegated from there. So for example here, you can see I've only got outgoing letters. I don't have any incoming at the moment. So outgoing letters. So there is an empty, well, it's a letter, but just for demo purposes, it doesn't have anything in it. Total outgoing letters to Matthew Morgan, one of the developers. And then you can also see there's a PDF attachment on this letter. So basically, this is a way to access the letter PDFs that the system automatically generates from the actual RDS user using the system responding to a letter. What RDS will do is create a PDF of that letter, which can then be printed and then manually posted. So once I've dealt with that, so say I've clicked on that, I've saved the PDF, I've printed it, I'm all happy as the mailroom user, I can then delete that, and we know that that message has been flagged, or even get a message, the letter has been flagged as being sent successfully. In terms of incoming letters, basically the way incoming letters work, just as a quick overview, is generally what we do, well, this is what we do at CVC, and this is the way RDS likes to do it, is what we'll do is we'll scan the letter and then email it as an image or a PDF to an email address, and then RDS picks it up from there and adds it to the mailroom. There'll be more on this later in settings, but effectively Mailroom will look at an email inbox and pull in the attachments of the emails and then have each of those as an individual letter inside the system. So that is a very quick and very basic overview of a very cool module, to be frank, inside RDS3, the letters and how we can deal with incoming and outgoing letters. In the next section, we're going to go and take a look at import email, which is a way to import emails from mailboxes that might exist outside of RDS.